Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Uh-oh, a little peeky. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have Prime Day fast approaching, guys. So you might want to take advantage right now and check these guys out. And link will be down below. Here we go. This is coming from Autophix, full system auto scanner. A scanner for BMW vehicles. It supports all that. I don't have Beamer, Benz, or Bentley. But this is what it looks like. Got the USB. You got the tester. You just plug it in and turn it on. I think you gotta plug it into the car. Shoot. Well, this is what it looks like. It was pop-up digital display. Really nice. But not sure if you can use it in any car, but it read fault codes, clear fault codes, read data stream, CBS reset, clear adaptions, battery management, electronic parking brake, steer angle sensor, DPF. And yeah, pretty much covered those. Of course, you get the manual right here. And it tells all the good stuff in it. Shows what the buttons do. It has a backlit coverage. BMW Series 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, X and S Mini, and works on all systems. Transmissions. So there you go. There we go. Those are the icons that will show up. So there you have it. Check them out. Autophix. Fix your Beamer. And get these now. This would be a nice little Father's Day gift to give someone. So definitely check them out. Alright guys, be safe. Have a good night. See ya.